Hello friends, my name is Akash. Today I give you some ideas about the method overloading in Java. So let's start. Method overloading is a feature that allow you a class you can declare in a class different methods, two or more methods within the same name. Means the method name is same but the argument list is different. Means in one class we declares more than one methods having the same name, and the argument list which we pass within the class within the method is the different. Means the data types of the arguments is different, argument list number of arguments is different. This is the so let's I explain with some examples the method overloading. So let's start. In src we create one class, name is abcd, like I uncheck the public static void main string CRJS function. Finish. In abcd I declared abcd. In abcd I display one message, that is like Akash. I create another method with the same name, that is int a. In these methods I, I display the values of the a, that is plus a. Create another method also with the same name, we pass two arguments. Plus a plus b. Complete. Now write the code to call these methods in the main function. So create another main function, class abcd underscore main. So the class name is abcd. Abcd create the object ob new abcd and call those methods abcd first where I have no arguments, then abcd one arguments I pass 5, and ob abcd two arguments I pass 5 10. Let's execute the program. Java application. You can see that in the abcd first I print the message Akash, then have one arguments which is I declare via assign, that's 5, and a plus b as declares 15. So you can understand this method overloading function which I declares with the different methods with the same name but arguments is different. Means we can declare different number of arguments, we can declare different types of arguments, means different data types of arguments, like this. So thank you, don't forget to subscribe my channels. Thank you.